Why is Costco's NMN so cheap? Many people ask me why is the NMN at Costco so much cheaper? The answer is simple. Costco and Walmart are mass-market retailers. Their business model is to offer products that are good enough for most consumers at the lowest possible price. Price comes first for premium supplement brands. The priority is different. They may invest more in higher grade raw materials, higher purity, advanced formulations, third-party testing, traceability and research. All of that costs money, so when you compare NMN products, don't just ask which one is cheaper. Ask, why is this one cheaper? A supplement isn't just a bottle, it's the quality of the ingredients, the manufacturing standards, the science behind the formula, and the results you're expecting. For everyday shopping, buying the cheapest option often makes sense, but when you're investing in your health, many people choose quality before price. Our body deserves more than the lowest price, it deserves the best value.